I don't feel like she's mine enough.
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about the 5 best off-white sneakers from the 10 collection. As you guys know, with the upcoming release of the Airmax 90s, the off-white the 10 collection is actually coming to an end. So because of that, I'm doing a list of what I think are the 5 best off-white the 10 sneakers from the 10 collection. Luckily, I do have all 5 of the ones that I think are the best. Once again, this is a mixture of the silhouette and the colorway together, so it's based on specific colorways, not the actual model of the sneaker. This is just my opinion. Obviously your opinion is gonna be different, but I think this is a really solid top 5, and let's get right into it. Starting with number 5, I have a heavy hitter with the Airmax in the black colorway. Now this is the 2018 version that released with the white pair. This is just really sick in my opinion, especially with the blue laces. This was also on my top 10 list of 2018 sneaker pickups. Overall, really nice sneaker, and the Airmax is the most expensive out of all of the off-whites in terms of retail. It went for $250 retail, reselling for about $700. Really sick. It looks even better on feet in my opinion. Definitely a unique sneaker and definitely had to be in my top 5. So with that said, number 5, the off-white Airmax. Coming in at number 4, we have the original off-white Air Force 1. Now this was one of the original The 10 off-white sneakers. The off-white Air Force in this ghost white colorway. Really clean sneaker. You really can't go wrong with these. Definitely my favorite from the Air Force pack. And this is number 4 because the other sneakers are just like that good, but this is definitely one of the best sneaker releases in the past 5 years in my opinion. Definitely an iconic silhouette with a beautiful colorway, and the off-white all over like matches perfectly. Definitely the one that I think I could probably rock the best out of all of the off-whites, just because it's an Air Force and it's such a clean colorway. Only bad thing about these is that they get dirty super fast once you wear them. That's the one negative. But other than that, really amazing sneaker. Definitely has to be on my top 5. So with number 4, we have the off-white Air Force 1 in the white colorway. Coming in at number 3, this is my most recent off-white Nike pickup, the off-white Airmax 97 in the Menta colorway. This is a Europe exclusive, and I love exclusive sneakers, especially like when they didn't come out in the US, because not that many people have them. And this colorway on the Airmax 97 is just sick. Like, I really love it. And the main thing that separates this sneaker from the rest is that none of the other sneakers from the off-white the 10 collection feature the colorway like this, and the fact that it's so comfortable. It's an Airmax 97, an iconic sneaker, beautiful colorway, definitely stands out. Really glad I was able to pick these up for a pretty good price. So yeah, definitely couldn't leave this one off my top 5. Really stoked to have these. So coming in at number 3, we have the Airmax 97 in the Menta Wolf Gray colorway. Coming in at number 2, this was really hard not to make this number 1. I thought I would put this at number 1, but I just couldn't do it. It's the off-white Air Jordan 1 in the Europe exclusive all-white colorway. Now, as you guys know, this is my favorite from the Jordan 1s. Completely embodies off-white into one sneaker if I've ever seen one. And wow, these are just super nice. Really similar to the Air Force 1 in the all-white colorway. We have like some hints of blue, hints of yellow. Really awesome sneaker. Really hard not putting it at number 1. But overall, this is just an amazing sneaker on a classic timeless silhouette. Definitely an amazing shoe. Really comfortable as well. I'll give you guys a better look at it. I mean, these are just off the charts. Has to be within my top 5 releases in the past like 3 or 4 years for sure. And there's just one sneaker that I think outdid this one because of what Virgil did with the silhouette, or else this would be number 1 in terms of looks. But in terms of just the whole off-white concept and what Virgil was able to do, you guys will see number 1 and it'll be justified. And yeah, let's get a look at number 2 one more time. Amazing sneaker. Definitely really glad to have these. Also another Europe exclusive, just like the Mentas. And yeah, number 2, off-white Air Jordan 1 in the white colorway. Now for the sneaker to take the number 1 place from the most hyped Nike collaboration since probably the Yeezys, it has to be an amazing sneaker. It has to be really cool to take over the off-white Jordan 1. But I think you guys will agree with this one. Coming in at number 1, we have the Air Presto in the OG colorway. And I mean, come on, you cannot go wrong with these. These are just beautiful, honestly. This is my favorite sneaker from the off-white, the 10, like really close. The Jordan one's really close to it, but I think the Presto, being the less hyped sneaker And Virgil just completely changing up the sneaker with the tongue, the Nike swoosh, the material used on it, like matching this like dark navy colorway with this cream midsole. Just, I think he did an amazing job. I would not change a single thing about the sneaker, honestly. This is just, I think, the best off-white sneaker to have released. Giving you a better look at the #1 sneaker on my list. And I mean, come on, these are just amazing. Super comfortable as well. Another plus, the Presto I think is the most comfortable from the collection in my opinion. Everything about the sneaker is dope. Virgil did an amazing job with the Presto. Definitely worthy of the #1 spot on my list. Yeah, let me know what you guys think about my list, and tell me what your favorite off-white sneaker from the 10 was. I'm really glad to have all these sneakers. Some of them I got for retail, some I paid resale, but overall just glad to have them. So with that said, hope you guys enjoyed this top 5 list that I created. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel for more.